Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to reschedule an appointment on Fresha. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have 4 tabs. The first tab is the Home tab, as you can see. We have the Search tab, where you can go and search for some of these stores. We have the Appointments, and in the bottom right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and reschedule an appointment on Fresha. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, go to the bottom of the screen and click on the third tab. So not the search bar, but click on the third tab here. Then here, as you can see, no appointments. Your upcoming and past appointments will appear when you book. You can go and click search for salons. And of course, at the moment, I don't have any appointments, but when you have one, it will of course be here. Then when you find your appointment here in this fourth tab, you just need to go and click on it. And there you can of course go and find the option where you can go and reschedule an appointment on the Fresh application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.